Hi everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to make our first Node.js server. So how do we make our Node.js server? First, we'll go to a terminal. We'll open up a terminal. In this terminal, we'll initialize the Git project by writing a command npm init. Now it asks us some questions. We'll answer it. Package name, we can just skip all these questions by pressing enter. And we'll say yes. Now, what this has done is it has created a package.json file for us. What this file does is it stores the metadata about the project. What is the name of the project, which version it is, the description of the project, which is the main file, the project where it starts, what are the scripts, who's the author, and the license. This is our package.json file, which gets initialized by this npm init command. Now we're going to create a index.js file. In this, we'll write our code to create a server. First, we have to require a HTTPS. HTTP. What this line does is it goes to the HTTP library, which is inbuilt in the Node.js, which comes with the Node.js, and it just adds this HTTP library into our into this file. So now we can use this HTTP library however we want. So with this, we'll create const. So we'll create our server. To create the server, it is HTTP dot create server. It creates us a server. It gives us a callback, request and response. It it gives us a callback with two parameters, which are request and response. Request is the incoming request we will send to the server, and response is the response we are going to send back to the client. So now we have created a server. We have to listen it somewhere. Just like if someone is speaking, there should be someone who's listening to it. Where do we listen this to this server? Means the server is running, but where are we running this server? This is told by this line server.listen takes a parameter port, which port we want to run it. So we'll give it a port 3000 and it gives us a callback with parameter error. If there is a error, we'll console that error and return. Else we'll console connected to HTTP server. Now we have to whatever request we'll send to the server will come in this callback. So to every request, we need to send some response. To send the response, we have this rest parameter. By using this rest parameter, we can send the response to the client. Rest dot end. We use this rest dot end to send it. hi from server. Now we are going to save this file, and to run this node server, we need to write a command here. We'll write it in the terminal. I'm going to clear the terminal. We have to write node and the name of the file, which is index.js. If we press enter, we see connected to HTTP server. That means our server is up and running. Now we'll send a request through our browser. We'll go to HTTP. We'll go to a localhost 3000. We are going to localhost 3000 because whatever server is running on our machine, it is not in the live production space. It is only running on our machine. So we can access it only on localhost and the port which we are given. Like we have given port 3000, so we're going to write localhost colon 3000, and when we press enter, it sends us this message, hi from server, which we have which we have sent from the server we are created. So this is how you can create a Node.js server. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.